I'm Eddie Field. Do you have a Frigidaire Gallery dishwasher? Did you know that it has a food trap in the bottom? Chances are, if you didn't, it might be smelling pretty bad about now. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean it out. Let's dive in. Of course, open the door and pull the bottom tray all the way out. Rotate the bottom sprayer out of the way, and here's where you see the food trap. Rotate it counterclockwise, and it releases about 1/8 of a turn. Pull it all the way up, and you can clean out this basket, and you can remove the rest of the catch tray. Simply rinse it out and return the clean tray. Drop in the filter. Give it 1/8 of a turn till the arrows line up. And that's how to clean the food trap on the Frigidaire Gallery dishwasher. For more helpful hints like this one, click the image on your screen now.